Our final story takes us southwards to just outside Johannesburg, South Africa.
This is Heidi Weingartz, and disguise is a regular part of her daily routine. No, she doesn't do fancy dress parties. She's disguising herself as a wattled crane, one of South Africa's most critically endangered birds. The obvious question is, why? And here's the answer. An 8-week-old wattled crane chick who needs a mother. These are his real parents, two magnificent adults that stand nearly 2 meters tall. There are only 183 of them left in South Africa, and Heidi and her little charge are part of a captive breeding program which hopes to bolster that perilously low number. The cranes get their name from the 2 wattles that hang down beneath their beaks, which turn red in the breeding season. They lay 2 eggs, but here they care for only 1. The other precious egg is collected, logged, and then carefully incubated at a constant temperature. These special eggs get special attention. When the egg hatches and the little bird breaks out, it gets just one quick glimpse of Heidi as a human being. From then on, Heidi is a wattled crane mother. And today, she's taking her kid outside for the very first time. Wattled cranes are among the most difficult to breed in captivity. And to make sure that this valuable youngster is safe from predators, like otters and genets, the security is tight. Being a mother is a responsible job, and the same applies to wattled crane mothers. The chick follows Heidi wherever she goes, walking a few paces behind her. He doesn't know it yet, but they're off to what will become his favorite place, the big pond. Heidi is the curator of the Treehaven Waterfowl Trust, and these days the little chick may see some of its own kind here. An amazing development, because 16 years ago there were just a single pair of ducks here. Now its 12 hectares of man-made ponds and wetlands attract over 140 species of wildfowl. Wattled cranes feed on seeds, insects, and aquatic vegetation. And at the pond, Heidi teaches her chick how to find them in the thick, rich mud. In the past, chicks raised here were released into the wild. But a recent study showed that the numbers out in the wild are so low and the populations there so vulnerable that for a while at least, it seems wiser to keep the birds safe in the captive breeding program. So for the next 4 years, the cranes raised here will stay here. But then hopefully, sufficient can be released into the wild to give them a more secure foothold. That's it for now.